Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith, and we have a new toy from Lock Tech. So this is, instead of an unboxing, this is going to be an unbagging. So it's a full set from AccuReader Lock Tech, and this is the ignition removal tools. So this is the whole set, all four of them. So rather than buy one at a time, just buy the whole thing. And again, this is why it's an unbagging, not an unboxing. It's never been opened. This will be the first time us playing with it. We've been using their tools for years, so this is the first time getting like the whole little set here. So this is a new toy. So get that there. Oh, they didn't see it. This is a total unbagging. So we have, and they're easy to tell apart. It's kind of cool. So we get a blue side, yellow side, green one with a toy. So we get the whole set here of four. Most of their products extremely well made and does the trick. And we'll show this in action on, this is just done bagging today. We'll show it in action down the road. The four different tools, they call it the V1, V2, V3, V4. And this will take out the ignitions on the Chevrolet Cruises, Chevrolet Colorado, Silverado, the Allure. You know, I'm going to have the whole list in the description on the bottom. Again, this is an interesting tool. It's removing the ignition cylinders from GM vehicles without drilling or damaging. We've had their other products, some of these earlier ones, and they're fantastic. Instructions that come with it. We'll post some videos of us playing with this. So I hope that helps a little bit. We will play with some ignitions later, but right now this is just an unbagging of a brand new toy from Lock Tech for us. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.